A surprise for Jenny. I went to town and picked her up a gift for our 3-year anniversary. She was giving me a hard time because I didn't get her anything. See, let's see the reaction on her face. Look, what do you think?
You get doors? Ooh,
a door. Yeah, I couldn't afford 2 doors. Pretty exciting, huh?
Yeah, good job.
What do you think, honey?
Good
of
job.
your anniversary gift?
Good.
Look, Ben's excited. What do you think, Ben? So, all right, guys. I wanted this door, one for Jenny's, for our anniversary. I wanted Jenny to be happy, and celebrate. This is going to be the main door in the front. I didn't want it to give us issues, so one pre-hung door. Exciting stuff. Jenny's got a fire going. Successful off-grid woman here. So we're going to get this door installed. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Man, fall is in the air. It's mid-September right now. Look at this. Mostly green. A few little red leaves on the maples. Some of the maples are starting to yellow up a little bit. We gotta get this stuff done. That's our door. It's going in that hole. Let's get this started. Got the door Tyvek all cleaned up, window tape around everything. I just caulked around the door trim, and now we got to get the door in. Jenny just went to get a drill bit so we could drill the holes to put the screws in. So. Anything, but hey, look, there's a door. You come here and push against us.
Like forward or on the side?
Toward me. Stop pushing. I'm trying to push it back and you're still pushing on it. Pre-hung door installed. 99%. I gotta caulk it a little better and put a few more screws in the bottom, I'm sure. So we have this door here. This is a replacement door where you have a hinge that goes inside a door wall or a pre-hung door frame that's already existing. So I ended up putting 2 2x4s on either side of the door frame to size it correctly. And we're going from here, so we're finally getting to figure out how, it's like a puzzle. We're trying to figure out how it goes together because no directions. But that's that. Now, set it down on the bottom of the door like you're supposed to. Like a glove. After 2 hours of fiddling with it.
Oh, there. He's up and in.
Hi, everybody!
I'm sorry for him. I'm sorry for him. We have doors. Woohoo! We have one on the other side.
This one was free. Happy. I like weather taped the crap out of this door jamb just because we had the tape and we had to build in extra 2x4 on each side. I think we got a little bit of video of that. Because this is, like I said, a replacement door. It's 34 and a half or 35 inches wide rather than 36. So it just goes in a door jamb, so we had to modify it a little bit, but it opens and closes and it feels solid. Look at that fanciness. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I mean, we'll caulk underneath that, but I would think there'd be some screws or something.
Oh, Timber likes the door.
There you go, guys.
Woohoo! Doors are...
We got door handles in there, but we're done for the day.
It's time to go eat.
Time to go eat some dinner and...
Tomorrow will be window trim and...
Please, I don't want to stay up here yet.
What do you think, old man?
All right, huge accomplishment. Maybe after dinner we'll come put a door handle on this one just so it'll stay closed.
Clock is getting low.
Oh, all right, guys, that's
So,
it.
Thanks for
That's
watching.
day number 1 of trip number 6
Thanks for watching.
or 7.
Thanks for tuning in. Leave your comments and thoughts.
Leave me a woot woot in the comments, just to make me feel accomplished. I'm getting a little discouraged and grumpy today, so a little woot woot would.
He needs, it's whiskey 30.
Yeah, it's whiskey 30. A woot woot would do me good.